As soon as makakita mo ani nga signs, liko na dayon to the right. Welcome to Taga Isla Outdoors channel. This is our first car camping trip and we are in Gabby's little farm in Barangay Tap-Tap, Cebu. Entrance fee is 25, but for camping, lahi-ilahang rates. Let's take a closer look. Kung overnight camping or car camping, adults is 200, children 100, pero if day use lang, adults is 100, children 50. Nice ang lugar, bugnaw, and para namo nga di kayo ganahan og daghang tawo, mas maayo mo adto og weekdays or parehaani nga Sunday. So tuyok sa takadiyot, mauni dinhi ilahang animal pens, nay pigs diha sa sud, nay chickens, galakaw-lakaw lang, and then naasay daghang dogs. Mauni dinhi ilahang restrooms, naara pud sila tubig para panghugas, but always bring your drinking water. So, mauni among view for today, overlooking sa city, sa dagat, and tonight, city lights. They have camping rules and regulations, quiet hours, magsugod og alas 11, di pwede magsaba-saba, pets should be leashed, pero I noticed daghan og stray dogs during the pita. Anyway, let's start setting up. Tarp first para ma-extend amo ang space for shelter. Then himi mag-set up sa among cooking. We have our EcoFlow for electricity or power. Sugod nagluto for dinner. Tonight we'll have samgyup. So just lettuce and bacon and kimchi. This is our sleeping area. So among gi-push forward ang front seats, among gi-remove ang middle seats, and then ang pinaka-rear nga seat among gihipos sa ilawom, and then naray platform sa taas. Then gipatungan na namo og trifold mattress ang platform, and that's it. That's our bed. And then we also have these mosquito nets and then blackout curtains for better sleeping. Mao ni among setup sa gawas, anha mi magluto, manginom, mangaon, tambay. And then sa rear, amo rang gitabunan og net and amo rang gibutangan og clips sa kilid para to stay in place. That's so ang insects dili manod inig katog namo. Shout out sa Lazada seller sa among electric fan nga gi-order nga wala pa niabot. So we're having to settle aning dako nga fan sa likod. And if you noticed, nami fin sa likod. Kadala mi daan sa among scuba diving gears. Practice ra ni among car camping karon para sa among camp and dive series in the next few days. So watch out for that vlog. So, mao na ni siya, gabi na, manamig pa ni hapon. Mao ni yung city lights. Ug bugnaw ang kagabion. Overall, lami ra mong tulog, comfy ra mong sleeping platform nga among gi-MacGyver, but nagmata-mata lang ni sa mga kasa-kasa sa gawas. Maybe because first time na mo natog sa car, but we'll get used to it. So, buntag na, pack up na, manamig pangapi. Mao niyang view kung buntag din hi. And I think our overall car camping experience was a success. And maybe ready na mi sa among Camp and Dive series coming soon. Salamat sa pagtanaw and see you on the next one.